Welcome to the NAVI instruction video, Main Imaging Control. Before scanning, select the transducer and preset according to the examination first. When performing an exam, the depth control can be found on the right side of the touchscreen. To adjust the depth, tap the upper depth control to decrease the display depth, or tap the lower depth control to increase the display depth. In the middle of the touchscreen is the gain control. To adjust the gain, increase or decrease by sliding the bar below the image display area. It can also be adjusted precisely by tapping the plus key or the minus key. On the left down side of the image display area, there is an auto key, which can automatically optimize the image. Once it is turned on, the key will be highlighted in green. To turn off, press the close key. Auto can be used both in B mode and PW Doppler mode. Tap Auto here in B mode. Gain, TGC, Dynamic range is auto-optimized to achieve a better image. The optimization control automatically optimizes your image if you need to scan shallow or deep structure. There are 3 harmonic frequencies and 5 fundamental frequencies that can be chosen to change the resolution and penetration. Choose HRES for the best image resolution. The H represents harmonic. To turn off the harmonic image, find THI in More. Tap Off. Most of the time, the frequency will not need to be changed since the optimal frequency is applied in the exam preset. To adjust the time gate compensation, tap this icon at the top left side of the screen. NAVI has 3 segment TGC. The near field and the far field image can be optimized independently as needed. If reset is needed, tap the reset key here to reset. To enter the full screen mode, tap the zoom in key here. In the full screen mode, the imaging mode can be changed. Click the touchscreen. Some simple adjustments like gain, depth, TGC, and operations like freeze or unfreeze can be achieved in full screen mode. To exit the full screen mode, tap the zoom out key. To save the image, tap Save Image key, regardless of whether the image is frozen or not. There are 2 assets to save the scene. Tap Record Scene to save the real-time scene without freezing the image. Or tap Save Scene key to save the retrospective clips in frozen mode. The scene duration time can be chosen here. All of them are quick access in the main interface. Drag the 2 blue dots to edit the scene duration. Major imaging modes are located on the lower left side of the screen. B mode is the grayscale imaging mode. To turn on color, tap the color key. The parameters of color can be changed in the lower side of the screen. To change the position of the region of interest, tap and drag the color box. To change the size of the region of interest, pinch the color box to the proper size. To access the color mode, either tap the color key again or tap the B key. To enter post-wave Doppler mode, tap the PW key. Drag the PW sample gate to the desired position. The other parameters can be adjusted in the lab. To activate PW Doppler spectrum, either tap the PW key again or tap the update key here. After you got the PW spectrum, the real-time image in B mode can be switched to display by pressing the update key. Exit PW mode. Tap the PW key again or the B key. To enter M mode, press the M key on the left side of the touchscreen. Similar to PW mode, position the sample line on the image and activate M mode by tapping the M key again or tap the update key. Exit M mode. Tap the M key or the B key. After you got an image, you can tap the freeze key to make measurements and comment. To make comment, press the comment key. The comment package can be chosen according to presets. It also supports manual comment. Drag the words to desired position on the screen. Tap on the word to edit. To delete comment, click Clear to delete the last added comment, or long press Clear to delete all the comment. There are two types of measurements of the NAVI: calculation and measure. After measure, the general calculations like distance, area, depth, and etc. can be done. To enter the advanced measurement, tap Calculation. The measurements are targeted for the specific exam according to the application package. To measure the distance, there is a highlighted green dot line on the screen, with two empty rings on the two endpoints of the line. Drag the point to your desired position. To complete the measurement, exit measurement mode or start another measurement. Now is the time for you to explore on your own. Watch the instruction videos online or refer to the user manual.